In this video, you'll learn how to get an investor password on Exness. First, open any web browser on your device and go to the Exness login page. Log in using your email address and password, then click Continue. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to the My Accounts section, where you can see all your real and demo trading accounts. You can switch between them using the tabs in the middle of the page. To get an investor password, select the account you want to use. Click on the three dots More next to that account, then choose Set Read-Only Access. This option allows you to create an investor password, which is used to give others view-only access to your trading account. With this password, investors or other users can see your trading activity and history, but cannot place or close trades. Next, enter the password you want to use as your investor password and click Continue. Exness will then ask you to confirm the action by entering a verification code sent to your email or phone number. Once you confirm the code, your investor password will be successfully created. You can now share this investor password with anyone you want to give read-only access to your trading account.